Hello, my dear viewers. Good day. How are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadulio, a teacher at the same time a YouTuber. And to this video, I will teach you how to make a logo using Designhill Logo Maker. To start with, you need to type in your browser designhill.com and you can see their landing page. As you can see, they offer different categories from branding to advertising, to packaging, to website design, to social media design, to Photoshop design or some illustration, to book and magazine, and to some clothing and other merchandise. Okay, so I will show you some of these categories. Okay, they also have services like graphic design gigs, design contest, print shop where you can buy some of their products, and of course their AI logo maker. So this is their AI logo maker. In just a few minutes, you can already have your logo, even without skill in designing. Okay, let's now start by clicking Get Started. Okay, here we are asked to enter our company name or business name before we can generate the logo. So since I am a fan of baking, assuming that I have a bakery business, so I will write here the name of my bakery. Let's say, and then just click generate logos. Okay, in here, we need to pick 5 or more design styles that we like. I will choose one, Cabana, Headstock. Let's choose Noxie, Smart, one more, this one. Okay, so let's click continue. And we need to pick colors, at least 3 colors. Which is I will choose blue, red, and yellow. And then continue. So in here, we are also asked to write the company name and or business name. So we have it there already, and then we have to write the slogan. And then we need to select the industry, and you can also select here your budget. Let's say custom na lang. Then continue. Then we need to type bakery to select 5 symbols. So which of these symbols? Okay, let's choose this one. I will click Y to see more symbols. So this one, 2, 3, and another symbols for cake. 4 and okay, 5. Then continue. And this time our computer will generate. Okay. So before we can select the logo, we need to sign up first. So I will be using my Facebook account. Okay. Just click continue. And again, it will generate. Okay, so this time let's now choose select a logo which would like to edit or purchase. So let's scroll it downward to see the different logo. or logos. So I will click load more. So these are the different designs. Again, you can still click load more. Still, you cannot find what you are looking for. So I think I will be choosing this one. So that's the design, but I will be changing some of this. So instead of this kind of blue color, so I will update the color into this one. Okay, then since I like this design, that one, but then I don't like the color of blue, so I will change the color to something orange. So this is the container. But before we proceed to the container, let's change the symbol. I will change the symbol, this one here. Edit symbol or change the symbol. So I will change that to pie or cake. Okay, so this one, I like this one. So update to this. Okay, then we can change the color actually. Edit colors. Symbol. Let's say something orange. You can also choose the type of orange color. Or you can have yellow because I will be changing this one to orange, the other. Okay, so let's choose this one. And also change later if are not yet satisfied with the color. And then we need to change the container. I need to change the color of the container. Edit colors. Outer container. So I will change the color to orange. Okay, that's it. What orange color? Let's say this one. Okay, then we need to change the font style of our company name. So edit name and slogan. So edit name muna. Change the fonts. So I want the handwritten. Handwritten. Load more. Let's choose this one. And then I will also change the font style of our slogan. Edit slogan. So we will use bubbly, vintage. So for vintage, I choose this one. Okay, then I will also change the color instead of white. I will change the color to yellow, but then I will change the font size. I will make it smaller. So let's change the color. Edit color, slogan to yellow. So let's choose this one. Okay, let's see the result sa t-shirt. So that's the result in the t-shirt. This one for the storefront. This one is for the bag. Okay. So, anong tawag dito? So, those are the designs now. I think that's already very good. Okay. So, now if you are contented with the design, you can proceed to buying now this design. Okay. Okay. And now for the last part, since we are done, next thing to do is to click buy. And in here, you will be asked which package you want to purchase. Is it basic, good for $20? Is it premium, good for $65? And enterprise, good for $150. So below are their benefits. So for basic, get a low resolution logo, best for those who are low on budget and are just starting out. And then for the premium, so get high resolution logo files for your website. Also for social media, and also have print and packaging and branding. Okay, high resolution logo, vector EPS and SVJ files, transparent background, lifetime phone support, black and white versions, print ready, make changes and re-download, font names and colors, full ownership. And then for the enterprise, for those who are looking for custom design solution created by an expert logo designer. So these are the benefits. Customize your logo with our designer. High resolution logo. Vector EPS and SVJ files. Transparent background. Lifetime font support. Black and white version. Print ready. Font name and colors. Full ownership. Okay. So let's say I choose the premium one. So I will just click select. And then below there are some add-ons that you can also include for $30, almost all $30. So we have letter design, letterhead design, business card design. You can also have here t-shirt design, social media kit, seasonal logos, animated logos, and you can also add here non-disclosure agreement. Okay? Then let's see, you selected some add-ons in there. Just click the add-ons. Let's say ano yung i-add-on natin. Okay, that one. Okay, then so we have now here premium pack $65 and t-shirt design we have $30. So the next thing to do is to proceed to the payment. But before that, you can have discount code. You can see this one in front of their website, which we you can view before we start our making a blog. And then you can type here the coupon code, and then you click apply, and then you are also asked to how did you hear about Designhill. You can just choose it here. Can have TV advertisement, radio or whatsoever. Okay, so yun yung ilalagay ko. Which event or webinar did you attend? So it's up to you. And then you are now asked how would you like to pay. If you have a credit and debit cards, so you can just choose it here. So you will be asked your name, your address, city, state, and so on, and of course your card number. But then if you will choose the PayPal, okay, automatic, there will be no question then. You can now proceed to check out. Okay, we are now done, my dear viewers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll learn more about Designhill Logo Maker tool. As you can see, it is just very easy to make business logo using this tool. Even if you do not know or if you do not have knowledge about designing. Only in some few clicks, you already have a beautiful business logo. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video.